Ever thought about what dinner might look like a few decades from now? Imagine a world where food tech has transformed the way we eat, from the ingredients we use to the methods of production. The rising population and dwindling resources demand a shift towards sustainable agriculture. Picture crops that thrive on less water, or protein-rich insects as a common part of our diet. Yes, it might sound sci-fi, but it's closer than you think. The innovations in food tech and sustainable agriculture are shaping the future of our meals. Imagine biting into a juicy steak that's not even meat, or a salad grown entirely indoors. Sounds like science fiction, right? But let's delve a bit deeper. Picture this, a future where our meat isn't raised in fields but grown in labs. Yes, you heard that right. This is called lab-grown meat, a technology where animal cells are cultivated into food. It's identical to traditional meat, but without the environmental toll of livestock farming. Now, let's move on to vertical farming. Imagine multi-story greenhouses in the heart of our cities, growing salads and veggies all year round. These skyscraper farms use LED lights to mimic sunlight, and hydroponics, a method of growing plants without soil, to conserve water. Innovations like these are crafting a new narrative for our food system, one that's sustainable and efficient. These technologies are not just concepts, they're becoming reality, turning our kitchens into spaceships and our farms into factories. But how will these innovations impact our world and our plates? Picture this, a world where food production is not a strain on our environment, but rather a harmonious part of it. These technologies could drastically reduce greenhouse gas emissions and save precious water resources. They may ensure food security, providing a lifeline for communities grappling with hunger. In the future, our meals might not just be about taste or nutrition, but also about sustainability and conservation.